Hi, I'm Elyn. This is Single Dad Homesteading, brought to you from the beautiful Appalachian Mountains in northeast Tennessee. Let's go! Yo, look at you run! Oh no, oh no. Go on! Go on, you crazy! You're interactive whenever I'm not carrying you. Whenever I carry... Come on! Get moving! Come on, come on, come on, come on! There he goes. No! Run! Come on! Go on, run! It's just a tiny video. Oh goodness, you're going for it. Come on! Let's run! You're usually super crazy. Come on! Come on! Are you going all the way over there? Come on! Let's run! Let's run! Let's run! Let's run! Let's run! I don't know how. Come on! Let's run! Let's run! Ah, I'm gonna catch you! I'm gonna get you! I'm gonna get you! I don't know. Here goes this crazy mom. Come on! I'm gonna get you! Where you go, bud? Oh no! Oh no! And there he goes! Ripper! I call him Ripper sometimes. Oh, whoopsie. I blocked that. Oops. Let's run, buddy! Come on! Let's run! God bless. Live what God gives you. And we're out of here.